And I will finish here, and this is my last minute, to say the three key points for me. We need to look beyond numbers. We need to look at concrete impact on civilians' safety. So all of us, as a sector, we need as well to do a reset. Are our actions really concrete? Do they make a real difference? And go beyond the list of numbers and statistics, because these sometimes they don't mean much. The second point, we need to make sure that the security architecture that are being deployed today by many states integrate upstream protection of civilian considerations. And CIVIC is already engaging with MODs from many countries around the world, including NATO and the US forces, about this particular topic. And I will finish here. Tom Fletcher talked about humanitarian reset, one as well a political reset that is linked, where at the end of the day, political decision makers include protection of civilians in their own narrative and decision. Let's build bridges in a world that burns them.